Hi Divya, welcome to Her Voice.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you for having me over.
Yes, I'm glad to have you here today and understanding your journey through our Her Voice. Uh, you have built something truly special, and that is your brand, which is Soul Spice, right? So you called it like the organic cloud, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
We
so
have named it under the organic cloud so that in future, if we want to move like different variety of things and products, we want to expand, then we don't need to shift the name that way.
okay.
That is why.
So I'm really looking forward to explore your journey of your brand with the Her Voice. So your brand is basically comes into the division of wellness, right? This
Yes.
is an a wellness industry which is growing every day, mark by mark, into that. So this is basically a family-led business, right? So
Yes.
how does this all? What I have seen in your journey is that it's your mother, your great grandmother, and there are other family members are also involved in this particular business, right?
Yes.
As we know, this industry is about the wellness industry, which is growing day by day, and it has been into. So, what was the whole the journey coming to the picture? Like, was it a conversation over the table? You guys were sitting, and then you decided to form it, or is it over the time this brand has come into the picture?
So starting from very, very basic, we had never thought of building up a brand or, having a conversation over the table. It was just a very emotional journey because I lost my uncle and my father, both in just a gap of a year. And it was a very hard time for our family because they were very young, and that is why, just to support my mom and my aunt, I just thought that I have to do something for them. And as you know that people pour in suggestions, you can maybe open a boutique, and you can just whatever,
Yeah.
many suggestions came in. But my mom was adamant that I don't want to leave the house because my grandmother is still there, and she always wanted to support her also, because otherwise maybe she would have faced depression, which she did not want. And I had just went to stay, and I have a 3-year-old daughter.
Okay.
And my mom makes chawanprash, which is a winter superfood, since 15 years. And she was just making it by the way, and Rihanna came in and she just tasted it. She loved it, and she would just every day get up and ask for it. So I just started posting those videos on Instagram, and slowly and gradually, like, orders came in. And then I just gave a name, because obviously without a name, it cannot work. Then people told in K, what will you do in summers and all. I thought we haven't had a plan. I have not done a business market research or
Okay.
anything before starting anything. It just came in by the day, by the time, and I just said, we will see what we will do. Whatever God has plans for us, He has taken so much, but He has given so much. I'm very grateful for where I am today.
So when you talk about a family-led business, I understand there is a lot of emotional
Of
things
course.
already running behind the
Yeah.
scene. When we hear your journey about it, how your mom come up to this particular, and this all things comes over the time.
Yes.
Right? How is the whole experience? Like, what is the one biggest advantage, Divya, you want to share with those people who don't know how it is being working with the families
Yes.
are?
First of all, when we started from home, it is very difficult to manage with the space, the raw materials. You have to procure everything. But yes, the family support is only one thing which has brought us here, because there's so much of understanding. And our products are not products for us, because we make it on our own, we pack it on our own, we do everything at home with own hands. So it is so much emotions filled in, that all the love is pouring in.
Yeah.
We want to spread the message that how maintaining health can give a better future. and our products are such that even a 1-year-old kid can consume it easily because we don't use preservatives. And many a times people call us that the product has spoiled and all, but that is the beauty. That is where we stand, that when you put a fresh product, obviously it will spoil.
Yeah, the shelf life
Yes,
is
the
lesser.
shelf life is less. And whatever market products which we consume, which we say ki 6 months, 8 months, kuch nahi hoga. Obviously, they have preservatives. So that is one thing, which I can swear by. And so that is where family comes in. Ki with their support, you can do anything. Like,
Yes. I think when people talk about the brands made with love, so this is one of the definition of the
Yes.
brand made with love.
yes, definitely.
I really wanted to understand, Divya, what is the success is all about to you, right? At currently where you're standing, is it about the sales you are making, or it's about the customer loyalty, or it is about the impact you are making into the society?
So, success is not at all about money for us. Yeah, even me sitting here today with you is success for me. And obviously, the love which people are giving in is truly, truly immeasurable. So yes, that's success for us. Like, we have grown so much in just 1 year. So the trust people are putting in, I'm really grateful for that.
That's beautiful to hear. I think it's very the way you are telling everything. It's very raw and it's very emotional.
Yeah.
And sharing that part of it, I think many listeners who are listening it today, it's going to be touching their hearts for sure.
Also touching the hearts, and why I wanted to tell this story, to inspire people that how to come up with hard times. It is very difficult to stand in those times. You can just get lost and do nothing, but coming up with whatever best you can do. Like, my mom is from a very small village, and she's not that educated also that she could even imagine reaching at that level where we have come. But what she did the best, we just brought it to the market. That's
Right.
it. So one thing which you can do the best can lead you to
Yes.
a good future.
I think the family recipes or the family's
Yeah.
best, it's really remarkable how the wellness, when we talk about the wellness journey or when we talk about the wellness, it's not just being on a materialistic level.
Yes.
It's becoming the wholesome. It's being so mindful. It's being connected to so many dots, and
Yes.
then you are into the wellness.
Yes.
I think your brand is making up to that.
Thank
And
you.
really good to hear about the whole story behind what you guys are doing into. There have been there any moments wherein the work pressure has really tested over your family bond, and how does you guys have overcome that?
Not any such moment that our patience has been tested or anything. Whatever work pressure we have, our family is always supportive. Our staff is so supportive that we have overcome all the hurdles, all the hard times very well. And yes, there are moments where there's some tiff or something, but then we go back to the roots, that why we started,
Yeah.
how we started, and what we want to do.
Yes.
So yes, the love which we have, the bonding which we have, is all that, and it never comes between our work.
I
So
think
yes,
that's amazing for anyone who are into the business facing the challenges to know that why we have started at the
Yes,
first, why,
yes.
what was the reason behind this to bring it up.
yes.
This is, I think, makes every challenge to
Because where
settle down.
family is involved, emotions are definitely involved. Many a times you cannot say everything. You have to take a step back. Somewhere somebody is not into, that emotional angle. That many tips are there, obviously. But yes, we try to overcome everything and put in love for all the products we make.
Wonderful to hear that. What is one advice you wanted to give it out to the women's out there who really wanted to start their business, but now they are starting their business with the family?
As I told you that we did not, think about starting a proper business, and I did not do a market research or anything. But yes, one advice is that if you want to do something, you can do it. That's inseparable. Like, you should have that confidence in yourself. That's it. And one thing which has worked, like for my mother, is being grateful every day. Even after losing my father, next day she started writing her prayers, her grateful diaries every day,
Yeah.
her strength. So that confidence and that strength has
The
brought us here.
resilience that
Yes,
the women has brought into
yes,
this particular brand.
yes.
It's a wonderful. I think it's such a touching story which we have just heard about the Soul Spice as a brand, and I think we are grateful that we brought you here today so
Thank
that
you.
our listeners would get something beautiful to be. And when it's a part of wellness journey, I must say, if it is not done with the love or the emotions
Yes,
or by the yourself bringing into that particular product, then it is not making any sense. But the
yes,
wellness is
yes.
all about
And
bringing
my
all
my
things
mom
together.
is so particular. Like for each and every, even if it's 100-gram bottle,
Yeah.
she will pack it with proper everything. We do the blow drying, we do the packing, we do everything with even with one bottle. So she's always like, there should be everything proper. So for example, chai masala, she makes very good chai
Yes.
masala. So even if there's one bottle, she'll do the entire process, which she'll do for even 1 kg. So
Okay.
that is the best part, and that's what we love about her, and that is why all of us come in and
Yes. I think this is a great example for the quality and the love
yes,
that the brand is bringing to their consumers.
Yes.
And I'm really happy to hear how your mother, your family, and you yourself being a daughter,
yeah,
having a lot of responsibility
Yes.
on her own family,
yes,
still helping her mom to bring up this brand.
yes.
And it's a very emotional and a wonderful story that you have brought up today.
So
And
everyone's support is where everything is working in, for me at least, even be it in law's side or even my family side. Support is which is working for us, and that is what we are grateful for every day.
so nice to hear all this. So
And I would just like to mention, like, I am a part of Y-Flow. My mom and my aunt are also a part of Flow. And like, truly, the community has brought in so much love. We have literally grown more than 50-60% after joining both the communities. So I'm really grateful.
we are so happy to
Yes.
have you here, Divya. You know that understanding about your brand. So the kind of the bloggings you guys do. So it showcase so much about the brand itself, and we are grateful. And I think the listeners has got so many takebacks today
Thank
and
you.
understand that from a single thought of coming out of as a resilience that no, I don't have to give up. I have to be out there. I think this sets an example for that.
Thank
And
you.
we are happy to have you here today at our Her Voice.
Thank you.